everyone, greetings from Violet and Tommy. We are stuck at home for the next unforeseeable future because of coronavirus, and first and foremost I hope each one of you are safe and sound. But because of the fact that we're stuck at home, we have some time to do a couple of things I never had a chance to do or make a video on, so today we'll handle a few. The first one being is how to get rid of shininess on my steering wheel. So this is what my steering wheel looks like. Yes, I do maintain it, but over time your greasy hands leave a lot of this residue on it, making it really shiny. I guess it's really visible here. And if you compare this, for example, to a dull leather, see, this is what it should look like. It should look pretty dull and not shiny. Or maybe my seat, this is a fairly new seat cover. This is what it looks like. See, the leather is not shiny, but when you look at the steering wheel, the leather is very shiny. And actually the solution is very straightforward, because all you have to do is you have to take a magic eraser sponge. I'm gonna link them down in the description. You get this at any store, but also the best deal is you get them online. Hey, you're leaving a lot of crumbs on the seat. Uh-oh. You gonna help me vacuum later? Okay. Anyways, so all you have to do really is you take this magic eraser sponge, you dip it in water. We have some water here, and all you have to do is just start scrubbing. Let me hold the steering wheel with my leg, but you just go, you scrub. So let's see, we scrubbed it for about 10 seconds or so. Huh, look at this. Wow. The results are insane right away. You could see. So check this out. This is where I scrubbed.
You can put it down.
Yes. Look, she's doing a fantastic job. Look at that. And then don't forget to wipe it with a towel later when you're done. Okay, let's put this away, okay? Going back to the steering wheel, check this out. Look how nice and dull this is. And look how shiny this is. This was 15 seconds worth of scrubbing with water and the magic eraser. Look at this, and then it's shiny again. So let's continue with the whole steering wheel. We're gonna do the right side first. Oh my gosh, I really hope the camera picks this up, but essentially, holy moly, this is the side that we just did. See, it's nice and dull. We went all the way up top. And this is the side that's shiny. It is incredible how much of a difference this little sponge has made. And look, this is the residue that's left on the sponge. Yes, it absorbs some water from the first dip that we did. But other than that, yes, and it breaks, it cracks. Maybe it's one-time use, maybe not. But the difference is staggering. Thank you, Magic Eraser. Once again, I'm gonna link this down in the description of this video. This is the final product, and I wish you could feel this. I mean, there is little to no shininess left, and the wheel feels brand spanking new. I kid you not, it feels really new. There's no oil, nothing on it. It's incredible what this magic eraser can do. Okay, and next, with Violet being behind the camera, we're gonna take the same sponge, and we're gonna, no shakiness of the camera. We're gonna, okay, no shakiness. Here, hold the camera, you got it? All right, let's do this again. Next, we're gonna take the same sponge, we're just gonna flip it the other way, and it's still wet, and we're gonna apply it to the seat. So, let's maybe wet it a little more. And this is here. Can we get the camera closer here? Just for comparison, the top seat cover is pretty brand new. I had it replaced. The bottom one has 30,000 miles on it. Let's see if we can make the bottom one looks exactly like the top one. So
I'm also gonna help.
Yep, we got a little helper there.
Mine also ripped.
Oh, it ripped? Okay.
That's fine, right?
That's fine.
It can rip sometimes.
Yes. So now we're gonna wipe the wetness with the towel. Let's see if this made a difference. This is really incredible. I have to see if the camera picks it up, but then again, this is the brand new leather. This is the 30,000 mile leather that I just gently scrubbed for maybe 20 seconds. And look at this. in comparison to a brand new leather, this is how we're able to refresh the bottom seat. Look, it's nice and dull looking and very, very new looking. Look at this. This is crazy. This little sponge, yeah, it's gonna break up into little pieces, but this little sponge works wonders on removing shininess from any leather surface, and you can go crazy. You can clean pretty much any leather surface on your car with this. Yes, it's gonna leave tiny white residue, but again, you can vacuum it very, very easily. Definitely worth the purchase. Next on our list is replacing these reflectors with these color matched pieces. Again, I'm going to link everything in the description in case you're interested, but what it does is it takes this reflector and it replaces it with something that resembles Yas Marina. I guess the color is fairly close. We'll find out how close it is. And to do this is actually very simple. You take your favorite tool or trim removal tool and you just simply pry it here and push it. Don't be afraid to pull as hard as you can. And the one in the middle, there we go. So this is what it looks like. So this, you pull it from the outside. The middle part usually is the trickiest one. You see you've got this one in the middle. So you can push it from the bottom and it will slide out. Yes.
Daddy,
Here.
can I have this one?
Yes, you can. And just to show you how simple this is, we're gonna have Violet do this. So Violet, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this here and just pry it gently. Gently, go ahead. Yeah, do it again, you can do it, Put it here and just pry it. A little more. Yes, okay. Now, I'm gonna pull it and then you stick this one. No, take this tool, you're gonna stick it in here, okay? You're gonna press it up. A little more, you can do it. You see? A little more. Yes. Hold on. Right there in the middle. Okay. Perfect. And now what Violet is going to do is Violet now is going to install this. So can you please install it? Go ahead.
Yeah?
No, upside down. You see? Shapes. Yep, you can do this. So this goes in first. And just, yep. And just push it in as hard as you can. And the middle first. Here, push this first. Yes. Did you just do it? High five. All right. And this is how simple it is. Tell us, how difficult was it to install this? How difficult was it to? 60 what?
63.
It was, okay, so it was 63 on a scale 0 to 100?
Yeah.
Okay, so 63 to install this. What special tools do you need for this?
The ones that have the stripes points.
Okay.
And the pointy things.
The pointy things. Okay, so to replace this piece, all you have to do is the stuff that has the stripy things and the pointy things.
Yeah.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's simple enough.
If there's a problem in here, then if I take it out, it'll be 60/100.
The last thing we're going to do is we're going to polish our exhaust tips because we haven't done this in a while. You're going to be a very good filmer. Maybe Violet, I can use you in future videos. Oh yeah. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use this heavy metal polish to polish the exhaust tips in our car. I just drop a little bit at the bottom, and then all we have to do is look, instantaneous difference. Very nice, look at that. And we're done. Yes, we're being productive on this stay-at-home day, but I think we
I also want to talk to it, okay?
Okay, but I think we did a couple of good things, right? We did the leather, so the leather is no longer shiny. We fixed the right reflectors, so now we have color-matched right light reflectors in the back. And then what else did we do? Oh, we also cleaned the exhaust tips, right? And
yes. So we did all those things. We cleaned whole inside the car, and we did some of the outside, right?
Yeah.
Then we can we all sit on this couch. Then I did everything my friend's mom did. Her name is Olivia in Colonia, in Sonoma, in Jordan.
Got it. Yeah, that's right. That's right. And the reason why we're sitting on this couch in the garage is because this couch came out of our living room. We are selling it. Actually, it already sold. Someone's picking it up later. So I'm keeping it in the garage for now. And on that note, we want to thank you very much for watching once again. We hope you're staying safe. And let me know what you thought of this video. Maybe give me a like and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And how do we say bye-bye in Polish?
Na razie.
And how do we say bye in Russian?
Do swidania.
And how do we say bye in Italian?
Arrivederci. Bye-bye.